the strings, not to fish for loose, convenient floors where pencil boxes fill themselves with things that fade and things that change the shape of truth. But I don't remember what she said to me. I want the tall trees to be built for me, 'cause I do not remember wisdom and I won't remember joy. I last saw them on a mountaintop when moon translated laughter into concrete slabs for temples that my name would not be written on. And in between each bellyful, she sang for me a prophecy. I'm learning how to love you. It's not quite the way you're used to. You see, color never spoke in song, and Joy's guitar was never tuned. She preferred multicolored ribbons for strings, and then she'd ask for spicy tea and biscuits, just the warmth of things for rhythm's sake. Perhaps I should have stayed to hear those purples become blues again, but I don't remember leaving. There were moments when the ribbons wrapped themselves around my fears into prayers I did not yet believe. Red ribbons to lace up my tattered boots for when I move again. Pink ribbons to bind up the manuscripts for when I lose my fears and teach, and then orange ribbons, the slippery kind, so not to confine these wings the day I'm ready to fly. But I don't remember how. Did she say to release all things? Did she say not to snip? I tried to carefully untie the strings. I tried to overwork the promises, 'cause rhythm told me rainbow loses color when you leave her in the fun too long. Don't scribble around the masses bits of madness you do not believe. But I don't remember faith. I last saw her washing paintbrushes, the ones that wrote the anthem color sang for her the day they raised a movement toward the waking of the child I left asleep upon a picnic bed. And faith is like a child. She sets imaginary mandates for the daughters she may never have. She draws traditions with her finger in the sand and then releases them for the wind to take and paint across the sky as diamond-studded wishful thoughts, so seekers may remember her. Thank you.